Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to keep this intro a little short because I'm excited to get to the item we're going to be playing with today. It is the KKW eyeshadow palette, but this is not just any eyeshadow palette. This is the one that I've been really wanting to try. This is the KKW Beauty eyeshadow palette in Classic Blossom, and that is a lot of words. But here it is, the box. Here is the actual palette. Beautiful, beautiful. Has the names on the back as well, but like, I don't really know how to tell what's what and where goes where. Let me just take this paper. And then these are the colors. Beautiful, very beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna do a look with these, and hopefully it's as good as the Mrs. West palette that I have used previously. We'll find out. Ooh, I zoomed you in because this is going to be an experience and we're going to share this. I did not put any kind of primer on. I just have my normal foundation, concealer, whatever in this area. We're going to move in with the palette. Before I get started though, I am going to apply some tape to help line out my eyes. Let me come in and finish this look with lippies real quick. I'm going to come in with my lip kit that I got from the Mrs. West KKW collection. Duh. Uno momento. Miss Kim Kardashian West. Oh my Lanta. I feel like, I know I'm not going anywhere. We're not doing anything special. But damn, I feel good. Look at this. These colors blended out effortlessly. It is like butter on my skin. These are amazing. Amazing. This is probably going to be my fall palette, honestly, because this look can go from light to dark so quick. It's so easy. I mean, look at these colors. Look at it. Look at those colors. It's just me. I'm shocked. I mean, I heard from a lot of people it's all just hype. Don't even bother. She just wanted to slap her name on something. It's a Kardashian thing. Don't even bother. No, this is not hype. This is real. I love this. I love this. I love this. Can you see this? Can you see? This is amazing. Not just me. The eyes, the lips, you name it. She's got it. She's got my favorite blush. The highlight is fantastic. I've only tried 2 of her eyeshadow palettes so far, and they are both amazing. And every lip product I've tried from the KKW line is amazing as well. Kim's on a roll. I don't know what to tell you. I don't have anything bad to say right now. I don't. This palette is the best thing. And let me tell you, these colors are beautiful. They blend out so well. They go on like a cream, like they are butter. It is beautiful. And the looks are endless. So, I mean, fall for sure. And then I could probably even use like this half for spring if I wanted to. But oh my gosh. Kim is doing it right. Yeah. Just had to throw that out there. I'm going to see if my boo wants to go out to get something to eat because this look is too good to just keep inside. We're definitely going to have a Snapchat photo shoot right now. Me, myself, and I will get you next time though. Remember, we do this every Thursday, Sunday. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you're not already on this KKW train, you better get on it because it's amazing. I cannot, like, that is, it doesn't get any better than that. Honestly, amazing. I'll catch you next time. Bye.